Hello everyone. So there is a question on the community today, how to automate task start and end dates. Now the question is about automatically updating start date or end date. It could be a custom field, basically a date field with a date when the progress on the issue was started, and also updating another field called let us say end date, when the work was completed. Now the question is about automation, but I thought I'll probably also talk about it because, and I'll also show you actually why not. So the question is trying to uh, the question is about how to capture these states. Now the thing is that in Jira we do have these states anyways. For example, when you start your progress. So again, what is the definition of starting a progress? If you're talking about the date when the issue was moved from, let us say, to do to in progress, yes, there is a date. There is a date when that happens. Like transition, I mean, it is the date when that particular transition happened. Similarly, when you resolve an issue or when you move it to close state, whatever state that is your final state, you again have a similar transition date along with a resolution date, because in Jira there is something called as a resolution, which is a field which you can update. Ideally, do it automatically using a post function, and whenever that particular date is updated with updated with the transition, it will tell you that okay, on this particular date this issue was resolved. So the first thing is that these states are anyways there in Jira and you can always report on it. Now the second thing is, in case you want to automate it, let us say you want to automate it, yes, you can do that. It is not very complicated. You doing it using automation is actually very simple, and let me show you. So what I'll do is I'll just show you my rule which I created in 2 minutes. I mean, that is a good thing about automation rules. Even even these automations that look complicated are not, because you can do a lot of these things without writing a single piece of code. And for doing simple automations like these, I think it will definitely make your life a lot easier when you are trying to create these rules to solve your problems and get the most out of a tool like Jira. And for some reason, there is a problem with my Jira instance, error loading document. I don't know why. I guess something is wrong. I mean, it is usually my cloud instance is working fine. Even when there was an outage, my cloud instance was actually running totally fine, to be honest. So, but not today. I was facing this issue. So capture transition dates. So this is the rule which I just created, and if you look at the rule details, right now the rule is supposed to work on my project Android, and this rule will start, or the trigger is whenever the issue is moved to in progress. And what I'm doing here is I'm basically updating a field called date picker field. Basically, this is the field name. You can also select here start date or whatever date you have. And in this particular rule, we are trying to capture the start date using the transition when the progress was started by clicking the button. And we can do that with the help of this this particular now, because if this may not be super accurate, I think it will be okay, because when this rule will run when the transition happens, and the transition will happen today. So I guess maybe there will be a delay of like few seconds, maybe a minute, I don't know. But this will basically have the information, the date information updated back to the field. And what I can also do is I can also add a comment, just to see the date. So date, now date. So we will get to know about maybe why now date. Transition to in progress happened using now, using smart value now. Okay, let us save it. publish it, and I need to create one. I need to create one issue in the project. So blah blah blah. Let us create, and right now, of course, I'll show the field. So let us create this particular. Welcome to the new Jira issue experience. View issue, and we have the date picker field, which is right now, of course, empty. But what we'll do is, where is my date picker field? Yeah, this one. So let us move it to in progress, and I will also go, come on. So there is a transition screen, and let us go back to the, no. Okay, we'll probably go back to the rule later, but I actually just wanted to show you the audit log. So I'll just refresh the issue. Let us see if it works. I guess it will work. So it says date picker field, May 23rd. And we can see here the time, which is 23rd of May, 14:38, right? Let me also check the date. Okay, so I think it was 1 minute ago. So I think it looks okay. Yeah, I think it is going to work. We can also pick the date from the issue history, I guess. And I think I made few videos on this topic using automation rule. Yes, I made one video. So let us take a look. So let us go to the Mastering Jira Cloud Automation course. I have this wonderful course, like all of my courses. So access Jira issues, change history. One more. Let us take a look at. Okay. Yeah, I think. Yeah, I did talk about it. So you can basically make a REST call, and it will give you this response. And I think for history there are ways, couple of other ways. So change. Do we have something called as change log? Yeah, remember, I think you can definitely fetch the change log as well. But of course, by making a REST call, it is anyways possible. Let us do a quick Google search. Jira smart value change log. Okay. Yep, we do have this change log. I remember this. Change log. So if you look at the change log, it will also give you this information about the dates, for example. But I think doing it using this now method is actually very convenient, because the rule will only run when this transition happens. So we are definitely able to capture this date. We don't really, I don't really think, I mean, there's no time here in the field, but we can definitely create maybe another field. Come on, for date and time, I guess. Let us go to the custom fields. I'll just do it. Why not? Date picker field, but we don't really have time. Let us also use time. All date time picker field. Next, date time picker field, create. I will definitely add it to my screen, which is in the Android project. And okay, we have this. Shall I add it everywhere? Maybe not. Okay, let us also add it to the project, or to the screen used in the project, and create one more issue. It is a bit slow today. I don't like it, to be honest, but I guess cloud is the future. But honestly, the way it works, it is definitely slow. I mean, as compared to data center version, it's okay. I'll tolerate. Create. It's not that bad, but still, I mean, when you're coming from data center, because I do have, like, every day I do things on Jira, and when you're doing things on Jira Cloud, then it is not the same speed. Okay, so we have date time picker field, date picker field, and hopefully both the fields will get updated with the date and of course the time. Let us see. I need to also modify the rule. Come on. Let us go to the automation rule. No, see, this is what I'm talking about. It is definitely, it can be a bit frustrating. Of course, my internet is fine. I still don't have the fiber, like full fiber connection, but it is still okay. I think I have like 35-ish Mbps, which is not bad. It is more than enough, to be honest. But with full fiber, I'll probably get, they say I'll get 1 GB. So I forgot what I was doing. I guess I was looking for the rule, the automation rule, because I want to update the rule to add one more field, which is my, see, there is a problem today. There is definitely a problem. Yes, something is definitely not working. And it is, of course, not nice, but I'm not really paying for it. So I guess I'll tolerate. Transition. See, it is slow and it is not working. So I'm not happy. Okay, capture transition date. Let me try if I can open it quickly and modify this before it fails again. So I need to edit the field along with the date pickup field. Do we have date time? Yes, we have date time pickup field. And save, publish, please work. Yes. How was your automation experience today? Okay, I'll give you, I don't need to fill up a form. Let me do it. All good, but the rules listing page fails to load sometimes. Okay, done. All right, let us create one more. Or maybe, oh yeah, I think we have the issue already. So I'll just click on the in progress. And before I do it, I'll just take a look at the date. So it is, right now it is 45, okay? In progress. Okay, it is still 45, 41. Okay, so let us refresh the bug. It's a 13-minute video, but we are learning something new. All right, so the date pickup field is not, it didn't work. Maybe I'll just take a look at the rule. Okay, so maybe I need to do something. It says success. Okay. Let me refresh it one more time. I don't know why it didn't work, but maybe there is something wrong. So date, time, picker, field. Anyways, we tried, but I guess you can create the automation. I'll probably check this, and I don't really want to extend this video beyond 15 minutes for sure. It has been 14 minutes so far, but yeah, that is all I wanted to talk about and share today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new. Thank you very much. Bye.